if Judge Boasberg were to find that the administration willfully defied his order, uh, then that is pretty serious. If you're a judge, I mean, there are a few lines that really can't be crossed. I mean, as you said earlier, the big no-no. It's like the whole premise of the rule of
Hmm.
law is that if you don't agree with a court order or a court decision, you have remedies. You can go to a higher court. You can seek to have the order reviewed. You can have it overturned on appeal. But we have case law from the Supreme Court that even if the order is initially invalid and is later found to be invalid, uh, you have to abide by it in the meantime, as long as you have the ability to do so. And that's there's it's interesting, and the government has pointed out in some of its statements about this particular case that the higher court later found that Judge Boasberg shouldn't have been hearing that case, that the case should have been heard in Texas, and that's fine. I mean, but at the time that he heard the case, he had jurisdiction,
Right.
and he made an order. And so if the government simply said, "Well, we don't care what you have to say, Judge, we're not going to follow it," that is not a situation that any judge can let go. I think that's when I say it's a last resort, I mean it's something that should be used very sparingly. But that is the kind of situation where it almost has to be used. Otherwise, the authority of the court is completely conditional. It's whether the parties want to comply with it or not, and that's not how our system works.